Hey everyone. This is Jessica from Logging Gato, and today we're covering how to use and when to use Gato Crypt. Gato Crypt exists because zero trust means you shouldn't trust your hosting provider or customers either. Gato Crypt uses strong public key encryption to encrypt logs for your eyes only. It's nearly impossible to brute force the keys, and correctly implemented they aren't present on any location an attacker can reach. Someone with total access to the files on a device or VPS can never read the contents. So let's see how easy it is to encrypt and decrypt your logs with Gato Crypt. Let's check out this system that's already configured in this mode. Public key encryption has already been enabled for all non-logging events, so everything is unreadable. Even if an attacker broke the encryption at rest of the data file, those records are simply unreadable. So let's see to generate one of these keys. From the shell, just run setpem. This will create a complex key and save it in the current directory. Normally you would do this on a remote client, for this example we're using the local connection. You can always remove the secret file. Adding a password is a good idea, but not mandatory. ICE encryption is used, so it's extremely hard to recover. Make sure you keep this password safe. Cut and paste this information into your Gato server DINI file and restart for it to take effect. Since we already have this set up, let's see what's already there. We sleep the current shell session and look at the INI file. It's encrypting everything and using an existing key, which is great. The tags key is which applications to enable, and the key is the key itself. Usually, just encrypt everything. There's no performance gain in filtering normally. Let's go back and enable that key in the shell. So let's go back and enable this key in the shell with setpem. You can rotate the keys and enable whichever makes sense in the shell. Anything that's not able to be decrypted with the current tag is explicitly marked, so you can rotate as needed. Type setpem and enter the absolute path to the file from before. Because we've done key rotation, we're not sure which key is which at this point, so we go back to the bash shell and see what's in the working directory. The correct one is selected and we return to the shell. We use the command setpem, and then give the path to the pem file. You can have as many of these as you need. Again, usually you would keep them on a remote workstation though. Enter the password to the key if you used it. Again, it is almost impossible to recover a lost password, so keep it safe. We loaded the correct certificate. So now the log data should appear? The data is now visible while the key is loaded. Afterwards, it's gone forever. Thanks for watching, and look out for more videos coming up soon.